bestbookbits.com brings you 5-minute books. Today we're going over The Richest Man in Babylon. Let's get on with the summary. Proper preparation is the key to our success. Income, that is the thing. It costs nothing to ask wise advice. I decided that if I want to achieve what I desired, time and study would be required. As for time, all men have it in abundance. When youth comes to aid for advice, he receives the wisdom of years. Now, this free summary is made possible by my elite personal evolution coaching program. Become the CEO of your life instead of the worker bee. Work with me privately over 12 weeks while we deep dive into an immersive, life-changing personal evolution coaching program. Connect with me now over Zoom for 15 minutes using the Calendly link below, or directly email me at bestbookbits@gmail.com with the headline Personal Evolution, and step into your next evolution now. On with the summary. I found the road to wealth when I decided that a part of all I earned was mine to keep. You pay to everyone but yourself. Pay yourself first. You labor for others. Every gold piece you save is a slave to work with you. What you save must earn. Wealth, like a tree, grows from a tiny seed. You first learn to live upon less than you could earn. My son thinks only of spending and gives no thought to earning. Opportunity is a haughty goddess who wastes no time with those who are unprepared. Willpower is but the unflinching purpose to carry a task you set for yourself to fulfillment. Wealth grows wherever men exert energy. A small return and a safe one is far more desirable than risk. Enjoy life while you are here. That which one man knows can be taught to others. Truth is always simple. All men are burdened with more desires than they can gratify. The great multitude of desires that must go unsatisfied, and regret them not. Budget then thy necessary expenses. The purpose of budget is to help thy purse to fatten. Thus, it is wise that we must first secure small amounts and learn to protect them before the gods entrust us with the larger. Every owner of gold is tempted by opportunities. Be not misled by thine own romantic desires, and make wealth rapidly. Guard treasure from loss by investing only where thy principal is safe. Own thy own home. Provide in advance for the needs of thy growing age and the protection of thy family. Strong desire to earn more. General desires are but weak longings. For a man to wish to be rich is of little purpose. This is the process by which wealth is accumulated, first in small sum, then in large ones as the man learns and becomes more capable. Desires must be simple and definite. The more of wisdom we know, the more we may earn. There is abundance for all. As instinct common to most men, the love of taking a chance with a small amount of silver in the hope of winning much gold. The game is so arranged that it will always favour the keeper. Opportunity waits for no man. Today it is here, soon it is gone. Therefore, delay not. The spirit of procrastination is within all men. A habit of needless delaying where action was required. Action prompt and decisive. To attract good luck to oneself, it is necessary to take advantage of opportunities. Good luck can be enticed by accepting opportunity. The 5 laws of gold. Number 1. Gold cometh gladly and in increasing quantities to any man who will put by not less than 1/10 of his earnings to create an estate for his future and that of his family. Number 2, gold laboureth diligently and contently for the wise owner who finds for it a profitable employment, multiplying even as the flocks of the field. Number 3, gold clingeth to the protection of the cautious owner who invested under the advice of men wise in its handling. Number 4, gold slippeth away from the man who invests in a business or purpose which with he is not familiar, or which are not approved by those skilled in its keep. And number 5, gold flees the man who would force it to impossible earnings, or who followeth the alluring advice of tricksters and schemers, and who trusted in his own inexperience and romantic desires in investment. Wealth that comes quickly goes the same way. Better a little caution than a great regret. We cannot afford to be without adequate protection. Have I the soul of a slave or the soul of a free man? My debts were my enemies. The soul of a free man looks at life as a series of problems to be solved and solves them. Where the determination is, the way can be found. The man who keepeth in his purse both gold and silver that he need not spend is good to his family. And last, life is rich with many pleasures for men to enjoy, and that's 5 minutes. Now, this free summary is made possible by the people who paid for my elite personal evolution coaching program. So be one of those people. Become the CEO of your life instead of the worker bee. Stop doing life solo. Stop doing goals by yourself. Stop repeating the same year every single year. Let's level up together. You can build your character, skills, and beliefs. Work with me for 12 weeks. Personal evolution coaching program. Drop me an email at bestbookbits@gmail.com with the headline personal evolution, or click below for the Zoom link and let's jump on for a free 15-minute chat and let's meet one another. Look forward to seeing you there. Thanks for watching and listening. Have yourself an amazing